American Indians of the Southwest. The driest cultural region was the Southwest. It stretched from the present day southwestern United States to present day northern Mexico. In this region, there were mountains, mesas, canyons, and deserts. These places received little rainfall and they often had extreme temperatures. Days were scorching hot and nights were freezing cold. There were long, hot summers and short, mild winters. This climate supported few trees or plants. Some of the American Indians who lived here, like the Apaches, were nomadic. Others, like the Hopis, lived in villages and learned to farm with little water. They raised crops like corn, beans, squash, and cotton. The geography affected how people lived. The Anasazis, believed to be ancestors of the Hopis, lived in this region about 2,000 years ago. At first, they made houses of stone and adobe, a type of clay that hardens like cement. Later, they built similar homes against and inside cliff walls called cliff dwellings. Because there were few trees, their descendants, the Hopis, also made homes of stone and adobe. They built apartment buildings called pueblos, which stood up to 4 or 5 levels high. People moved from one story to another by a ladder. Hopi women wore cloth in the summer. They used plants to make dyes and colors such as orange, yellow, red, green, and black. The men wove the cloth for blankets and clothing. The Hopis also embroidered designs on their clothes. The Hopis created clay pots in which they cooked, served, and stored their food. They decorated these pots with black geometric designs and images of living creatures.